To use Chase Quickdeposit, you will need to have a Chase checking or savings account and the Chase mobile app installed on your device. First, open the Chase mobile app and sign in with your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu and select Deposit Checks. Chase Quickdeposit allows you to deposit checks remotely using your mobile device. To begin the deposit process, select the account you want to deposit the check into and enter the check amount. Make sure to verify the check amount to ensure it matches the written amount on the check. Next, you will need to take a picture of the front and back of the check. Ensure the check is properly endorsed with your signature and the words "for deposit only." Place the check on a flat surface and take a clear photo of the front and back, making sure all four corners are visible. After taking the photos, review the deposit details to ensure everything is accurate. If everything is correct, select Submit to complete the deposit. You will then receive a confirmation that the deposit has been received and is being processed. Best practices for using Chase Quickdeposit include ensuring the check is properly endorsed, using a well-lit area to take clear photos, and verifying the deposit details before submitting. It is also important to keep the check in a safe place for a short period of time after depositing, in case the bank needs to verify the deposit. Chase Quickdeposit is a convenient and secure way to deposit checks from anywhere, at any time. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and efficiently deposit checks using your mobile device.